Okay, can online hear me? Cool. Okay, so today I am presenting on an idea that I've had in the past called the sustainable dishwasher, and the purpose of this project will be a non-electric dishwasher for the application of remote locations. Okay, so the vision I have in mind for my company, Dishwasher Solutions, is to have accessibility to timely dishes in non-electrical spaces. Followed by the mission being to design dishwashers that do not require electricity to operate in residential or remote spaces. Okay, so going into my customer problem and need, my customer need is that there is not a timely method to clean dishes in non-electrical spaces. Now, when you want to clean dishes and you're at home and you have a group of housemates, you're assigned someone to do the dishes and it'll take them a long period of time, or you're throwing in a dishwasher because you have the power to do it, or you have the space in your own kitchen to do it, right? But, there's not that 1% wants to be that 1% does dishes constantly throughout the week, and you want to throw them in a dishwasher, but let's say you're a college student, you don't have enough funds. You need to throw your dishes in something to clean pretty quick because, you got a presentation to do at 5:30. So, what am I proposing here? I'm proposing a non-electric powered dishwasher that is purely powered by a foot pump. It's not really concrete out here, huh? All right, so, short competitive advantage, long value proposition. I went off the template. I want to say the key details there before we start reading it off. So what is my competitive advantage? I think I would be able to compete my dishwasher idea to traditional dishwashers as KitchenAid, Whirlpool, your other retail dishwashers, because it would be a lower price point because it doesn't have all electronics in it. It's just a foot power pump. Being that it is non-electrical, you save electricity, and it is sustainable. So you can say it's a greenwash element of tech, but at the same point in time, it is a sustainable dishwasher. My value prop, really, I've just touched upon. On the larger markets, we're going to have Whirlpool and KitchenAid, but I think on the lower markets, true competitors will be handheld tools to be used within sinks, right? Just like classical cleaning dishes. All right, so my proposed business model, boxes and everything. So we talked about this one. We talked about this one. We're here now. Who am I targeting? Who am I targeting? Who is Dishwasher Solutions targeting? All right. The group we're targeting, I guess I would be targeting if it's just a one-person company, is families with non-electric areas, families in remote areas, families that just don't want to pay the funds for home utilities, that extra, like having to use a dishwasher. And also, like to make that environmental impact, almost, as people that have those, solar panels that feel good about it and want to talk to their friends about it, or making a difference piece by piece. I think that really touches into, how am I going to target these customers, right? Trade shows, of course, all tech. And then college campuses, right? I mean, there's a lot of college homes that are run down that don't have dishwashers at all. There's always that one person that has to do it. A pain point, frustration, in particular. Flyers around RV communities. I mean, trailer park communities, like Colorado, right? There's a lot of people in these small towns that they just like to live out here for a couple months and kind of disappear. So and then retail and commercial department stores, Walmart and Target. I'm clapping. Walmart and Target, I get excited about those, right? All right, number 7. How are we going to track stuff? Key information is really, to note, early on would be the note feedback for post-purchase surveys and, document cost of manufacture, because to build one of these dishwashers is going to be not too priced, but a little expensive. We'll expand more into that later on, of course. Revenue structure. All right. That's a minute, so now I'll go here. Collect revenue from selling to local RV and camper organizations and sell in bulk to residential stores. You sell in bulk, you sell for about 10 of them for about $3K when they all cost $350. Then our cost structure will go into, studying things like manufacturing costs, shipping costs, assembly costs for the technicians before it goes into retail stores. And then to the call of action. I think I misinterpreted this slide to think that this was I was proposing jobs. But really, this is what has to be done for this company to come together, the action, right? So I'm going to still speak on like how I thought of it. Purchase materials, prototype to assembly. So the kind of rather interested retail homes, RV, and camper living environments. Gain customer feedback, all while fulfilling need within the initial market gap. Relating back, which was spaces without much electricity. But no at the end. That's the final price point based off this project in the past. This is the last slide. So I'm going to say that this project that I have worked on for a senior design project during undergrad, we had the price put together for bill of material. This was actually put together during spring of 2020, where the week we were supposed to order all these materials based off our BOM from our sponsor that was giving us $400 to have a prototype. The week after this thing that COVID-19 happened, I never got to finish my senior design project. So, consumer products went out the window when COVID happened. Thank you all for my quick pitch. Any questions? Do we do a Q&A or John?
I don't think we had that in the,
Okay.
especially with the online.
And if everyone wants to know how it works real quick, is it CFD? It just pumps up. It's a